All right. Let's check it out. Let's see if this works. Let's go. Oh, weird. My Twitch isn't hooked up. That never happens. Oops. I opened Credo on accident. There we go. All right, I got Twitch hooked up. And YouTube is hooked up. All right. Let's make sure all my audio is correct. Start recording. Okay, short stream today, unfortunately. Oh, quick. I guess I could do this quick little update. I mean, no one's here, but quick little update. I did get the normalized position finished. Whoa. Okay. Oh, it's hooked. All right. So yeah. Now it moves the same up, down, diagonal, and everything. And it's snapping to the pixel too. Despite going in a diagonal. Because my position is an integer. Right? So I have a vector 2 struct. I might change this. Dang it. Kickbots are crazy, man. Bam. All right, so the vector 2 is my movement vector, but look at this, the game state, player X, player Y, is an integer, and so it's only going to be on the pixel. So I'm already snapping to the pixel. My movement, so I'm thinking I will probably do like an int player, or no, sorry, float P real X, right? And then, find X, replace Y. Do something like this, and then go based on that, but then like draw it based on the integer, which would be a rounding thing. I think that's actually what Casey does in day 28. Oh, no. He does it in day 32. Where he has the two positions, and then I think he just converts over. And it's because rounding is weird, right? So if you just convert, I'm just going to do this right here. So to do um, store the player position as float, then convert to int when rendering. And the reason for this is when casting from int, or no, from float to int, it just drops the decimal. A custom, okay, actually, a custom conversion would do rounding. So anyway, I want to do that. I'm going to assume, actually, you know what? We could probably find this. Zelda link to the past source code. I bet this exists. It's called Zelda 3, I guess. Player. Okay, that's fine. This is so interesting. Check ability to swim, link main, controller handler. Is there separate movement code? Let's see. X. Move. Apply links movement to camera called. Interesting. Oh, there's a function. Link moving against diagonal tile. Interesting. If link moving, force move any direction. Okay, we're here. So this, here, I'll just get rid of this for now. Show more. I want to see the header. Voids. Okay, it's just a bunch of function declarations. Dang, I'm loving the way this code is looking. By the way, this player controller is kind of sweet. Yeah, so this one, I just don't know what this velocity is. It's because I'm not signed in. It's whatever. Temp. Oh, this is a temp function anyway. Link move position. This is what I'm looking for. Right here. So I get the chords. Low, high, and then you bit shift it. don't know where these are declared. That's another problem I'm having. Maybe I can... Maybe I can do that. Okay. Where's the first declaration? Yeah, darn, I have to be signed in. Oh, it's a definition. What the heck? Okay, so let's go back. What's... Well, we're assigning it, though. Can you assign definitions? Am I crazy? In C, can you reassign definitions? My value. No, that's not what I mean. This player controller is insanely long. Okay. Player.h. This is in variables.h. Yeah, they're totally assigning. Oh, is it a pointer? Oh, it's a pointer. That's freaky. That is some weird code that they're doing. Yeah, so this link chord safe return low, right? This thing is a pointer. A uint8 pointer. uint8. Where do they assign these? Ah, look at that. That's some pretty commonly recognized code. This is so interesting. Well, I'm officially lost, and I'm gonna move on. All right, we're going to Droppy Ball. Oh. This is what I want. Okay, nice. So yeah, actually today I think we're going to be mostly... Okay, what the heck? A swap file was found. I'll probably have to delete that, huh? GS is what I meant. All right, whatever. So today, what we are doing is this. So today, oh, this is the page that I want to be on. Okay, so I want to, oh my gosh, my voice. All right, got a drink. I don't know if anyone else is the same way as me, but when I sneeze, like even one time, I suddenly like have cold symptoms for like an hour. Stupid. All right. Set achievement, whatever. This is a like a potential global function you could create. Achievements. Achievements is a dictionary. Okay. So I would create this dictionary. And then okay, so I'm supposed to initialize. All right. So we're going to just do this in global. Again, I need to split out global quite a bit at some point. It's maybe now's the time, right? That's on my list, right? Split out global into a save manager and global. Because right now, that's essentially what this is, right? See, this is maybe a global thing. Like a function that is usable on multiple screens. Button raise, like these, like it's, I don't know, some of these are like UI things, right? Well, and also like maybe the scores stuff should exist here, but the saving should not. I think that's what it is. So like all of these values should probably exist here, but the saving, the actual saving of them should not exist here. I'll do it another time. But maybe I can start with making the Steam manager. That's what I'm going to call it. In global. Well, because I'm going to also probably do Google Play Console. Let's see. Play. Where's my Play Console? This thing. Download reports. No. Google Play Achievements SDK. Whoa. Why would they do that? Why wouldn't device default be the default on these? Frustrating. Plugin. Is there a native SDK? What's this? Aha. So that probably exists in here. Let's go to the asset lib and let's look up play. Not so easy, I guess. Plugin for Unity. Godot Google Play Achievements. All right, so it's called Google Play Game Services. Google Play, billing, and services. I just want to click on it. I don't want to install it. Okay. Achievements. Okay. Nice. So I'll probably do that next. All right, so project, we are adding a script. I'll just call it achievements. And that will be one of these, path. So I pick global achievements, add. And it's fine to be at the bottom, I think. Is Steam stats also used for, here, let's look at this. Get in here. Don't make me log in, please. Sweet. If I go into here, and then there's this. No, wrong one. Just close my multi-chat. This one. If I go in here, and then I go into here, and then I go into stats. Interesting. This is what I'm looking for right here. It doesn't give me anything. But yeah, I think I could use stats for like how often, I don't know. I'm so bad at this. Like figuring out what information I need to know. I kind of just want to like create the game, and if I like it, it's good. But I should probably do the right thing and like gather some information on it. Oh well. Let's just get back into Steam. All right, so this is good. I have achievements, and let's get rid of these, and we'll add global/achievements.gd. And so then now, boom. All right. And I believe, yeah, so I don't want to give this one a class name because Godot gives it a class name by default. All right, func, ready. Oh, I also learned that Godot's LSP was broken with 4.5.1. So that's fun. Let's see if they've fixed it yet. GitHub. This thing. LSP. It's still open, yeah. So this might be something different. Oh wait, there was a close. There was a merged one. Yeah, it's been merged in, and it'll be in 4.6, which sucks. They're like, oh yeah, we made a mistake, fixed. But then it's like, well shoot, do I have to just build it myself? I probably should get familiar with that, but eh. All right, let's get back to this. Or no, this. Initialize Steam. Func. Initialize Steam. Oh, let's give it a static type while we're at it. Var res equals, well, let's call it a dictionary, I suppose. We'll statically type it, even though that's not really statically typed. Steam. It doesn't like that. Is it called something else now? Is it called Steam Server now? Steam init. I should probably go to here. Does it have docs for me in here? No. Projects. Interesting. Get started. Steam dot get. Okay, what was I doing again? This Steam init ex extended. And then print did Steam initialize question mark res. Is that it? Initialization response. Yeah. Steam not declared in current scope. Do I have to do something else? Godot server. Godot Steam server. GD extension. Did I get the wrong one? Godot Steam. Yes, I did get the wrong one. Delete. What? Why can't it be deleted? Why? It's open in another program. What program? This program? It's because it's open in Godot. All right, let's close it. Save and quit. That's fine. Hello, YouTube. Welcome. All right, let's see. Gaurav Bhagwaria. How'd I do? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I gotta delete this folder real quick. Be right back. Got rid of it. All right. I think I'm gonna have to close out of this real quick. Reset the LSP. Huh? Okay. Weird. Godot Steam. All right, so I installed the wrong Godot Steam previously. I installed this one, but what I actually want is this one. Install. Thank you. Okay. All right, so now I should be able to see var res equals steam. Yeah, there it is. Get steam init result. There we go. Nice. And this should be a dictionary. Is that correct? No information available. Interesting. Okay, print steam. Let's see what happens. It's an empty dictionary. Is that correct? Ah, I did the wrong thing. Let's do that again. Oop. There we go. No app ID found. That's fine. Okay. Sweet. I got it. I got the Steam SDK. So now I gotta go wrong Steam. This one. I go over here and I pop this in there. Project settings. And I should have a Steam thing now. Steam. There we go. This one. App ID is this. This. What does this one do? No description. I think I saw it in the docs. Getting started. Introduction. GD extension, maybe? There we go. So, that's fine. Okay, you can pass the app ID to either Steam init or Steam init X. Or I can do that. Well, I'd rather just do this. So let's do that and run it again. Embed callbacks. I mean, wait, what's the... Initialize on startup seems fine. Status 0. Oh, whoa. Did you see that? Access Steam features from the overlay. That's crazy. I didn't know that that was... Okay. Cool. So that's what initialize on startup means. Sweet. So now... Status 0 successfully initialized. So 1 was there was a failure. I thought 1 would have been like truthy, but I was incorrect. Okay, so yeah, now I go. We'll do a var Steam initialized bool equals false, and then Steam initialized equals res at status equals 0. If res dot what is it? Res has status. Something like that. Let's just look up the Godot reference. Godot dictionary has this is not what I want. I want... Oh, no, this is what I want. Okay. Has. Yeah. Has a key. Perfect. So it has a key. If res and there we go. So that'll cover my bases. And then we'll just do func. I don't know. Let's see what they suggest. Because they suggested oh, those are icons. I don't need icons. I'm in the wrong spot again. I need stats and achievements down here. So they suggested having my achievements in a dictionary like this. And then I would just load them in. And it's based on an integer, huh? Loading achievements. Steam get achievement. Okay, no, it's based on the string. So let's do my constants. Constants. Const. And what did I call them? Let's look at this. Achievements. I have one achievement. It is called DB1. And we'll call it achievement 1. Okay, so there's my first achievement. Bar achievements dictionary of string to bool equals. And so it'll be constants dot achievement 1 colon false. And then, yeah, let's just func load Steam achievements. We'll do if Steam initialized. Well, let's just do if not Steam initialized return. Something like that. That's fine. Because this achievements thing is going to be Steam or like provider agnostic, I should say. So, and in fact, I'm going to write a little note to myself. Note. SDK or keep SDK agnostic. These achievements should work for Steam and Play Store, for example. Okay. So if Steam achievements, or if Steam is not initialized, return. Otherwise, Steam dot get achievement oh yeah, this will be a for loop. For key in achievements dot keys key, and this will be var a. I don't know what I'm doing yet. It says, oh, this comes in as a bool. What does this mean? Oh, there's documentation. Get achievement. String. The achievement you want to obtain contains the following keys. So it returns a dictionary. RT returns true if the API name of the specified achievement exists in the app admin on the Steamworks site and the changes are published. Otherwise, false. So mine will be false right now because I have not published my thing yet. Achieved. Interesting. So, res. I just used res for everything. Dictionary of bool. That didn't seem to work very well. I think that that's incorrect. I think it is string to bool. Oh. String to bool. And then what you do is if res and res dot has ret and res at ret then we set achievements at key equals res. Oh, and I should probably do and res dot has achieved. Res achieved. Perfect. Easy enough. So now let's publish my new achievement real quick. Publish. Preparing app for publish Steam. Okay. Publish light. I'm going to just try this. If your game is already released, this may affect the content the customer sees. Enter the following confirmation code. Steamworks. Internal note. Added. First Steam achievement. Really publish. Congrats. All right. Oh, no. Oops. Revision 1. Oh, because it's revision 1 on that one section, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, hopefully, let's see. Ah, I don't want that. Stop. I want this. Print. Achievements. Achievement. S. S. And it'll be res. Oh, do I have to do it in a list? I think I do. No. I think I do. Res and then... Oh, no. Key res. I think that's how it works. And then I also need to load Steam achievements. Well, and in fact, I could even just do this, right? Like, if Steam initialized, and that would be a little bit cleaner, I'd say. All right, let's see what I got. I think I missed the button. There we go. All right, some sort of crash. All right. It's working. So now we do func achieve key string, and we'll first set it locally, I think. Well, I don't know. Let's see what it suggests in the SDK. So now setting achievements, so set achievement, if not achieve, whatever. So yeah, they set it locally first. Hey, my good sire, you're back. Achievements at key equals true. Let's do if as key All right, I'm going to show you the pictures in a sec. But let me finish this. I'm almost done. Store Steam data. So you store stats? Oh yeah, okay, so you set the achievement, which gives a response. So var res equals steam dot set achievement, right? Yeah. And what's this achievement? That. Key. And what is the response on that? I got the documentation here. Where's my boy? Set achievement. Returns a Boolean. That's it. Okay. So I can actually just do if print Steam achievement saved. Else print Steam achievement failed. I don't know. Is this ever going to be useful? Probably in this scenario, I would do achievements key equals false. I don't know. That would be really unfortunate if it failed. I don't know what I would actually do about that. And then store Steam data. Store stats. Why does it need to do that? Okay. If we don't call store stats, the achievement pop won't trigger, but the achievement should be recorded. Oh, okay. All right. I can do that. Steam store stats. And this is also going to return a bool if store stats I mean, if it failed to set the achievement, I guess I would have to like, okay, let's just do, let's comment this out and let's say, come on, to do. Maybe store the achievement. I mean, they could have like no internet, right? So this could fail. So store the achievement state locally as well and update when like on startup as a backup. We'll add that as it to do. And then right here, if Steam store stats print Steam achieve, I don't know. We're just gonna get rid of the if for now. Okay, so this should work. Let's go to the beat the game function, which I think is in Ball Manager. Yeah, beat the game. Beat the game, GRR, emit this. So I would do achievements.achieve, and it is constants.achievement1. So let's see if it works. Shall we? Start over. Okay, got it. Let's go beat the game. I have way too many logs. All right, let's see if I can salvage this. It's going great. No. Oh, wait, I can do this. Dang it. Come on. That looked like it was gonna go. It'll go now. There we go. Okay. I'm realizing though that I've already beat the game. So let me exit out of this and let's go into my save file and mark that I have not beat the game yet. Achievements. True. I just have it as the first line is true. That's funny. Beat the game achieved is true, and then save achievements. So I'm already storing this. That's kind of nice. So we'll do, I need another to do here. Just right here. To do already storing achievements. Let's just check them and achieve them accordingly. So let's just set this to false. And then now I can test it for real. All right. I'm going to do it. Yeah. All right. Do you think I can sneak it in there? Oh, that's so brutal. Come on. Oh, no. Okay, right here. Boop, boop. Oh, come on. I'm screwed. I've totally messed up at this point. Oh, never mind. Somehow the physics worked on that. Ooh, unlucky. There we go. Oh, come on. It didn't pop over to the side. Hee hee hee. Totally cheating. The cheating can't save me from my own stupidity, though. We're good. Got it back. That was kind of scary. Oh, I should not have put that pink down there. Get in there. Dang. Yep, right side is totally screwed. Come on. Come on. Okay. Nope. Dang it. How do I keep finding myself in these scenarios? Get in there. Yeah. Come on. All right. Well, I'm not getting it. Let's see if I can I get it in the debug? That's what I want to know. So save state. Where does it call the achievements? Beat the game. Oh, I'm in the wrong. Okay, yeah, here we go. So it calls it in combine. So it should work. It should work in the debug. So we're going to do that. Debug. There we go. All right, so Steam achievement saved. So now, and it, did it pop up? It didn't pop up the whatever, right? Let's go see. This. Come on. App admin. Edit store page. Steamworks admin. Stats and achievements. Localization? No. Stats. Look at that. Look at that. Today, beat the game. I got it. I've unlocked all achievements. Let's go. All right. Good day. Good day. All right. Before I leave, though, I have something to show you, Sir Lunchalot. This is very important. Okay. Why did I pull it onto the screen if it's not going to show on the same screen? Here we go. I made dinner. And unfortunately, I only have pictures of the cook. Wow, these are all out of order. That's fun. So this is me marinating it. Obviously, this is me wrapping it. Terrible job. But then I put it in the fridge, right? Just like you said. This is it on the spit. My little terrible electric spit. And then I wrapped it in tin foil just because I wanted it to cook faster. Probably not for the best, but it's kind of cold outside, you know? And then, yeah, this is it cooked. I think this is after I'd already taken some of it off. Also, the top got super crispy. Yeah, and then it's all out of order. You think the baking thing is smart? I'm glad you think so. But yeah, it turned out really good. I actually, again, I don't have any pictures after the cook because, yeah, once I start cutting it off and feeding it to people, it gets hectic and I don't have time to take pictures. So I just have this. But the meat was excellent. Yeah, it tasted amazing, obviously. Like, I loved, because it had the tomato, it had the garlic, and it had the lemon coming through the most. All three of those flavors came through the most, and that was an excellent combo. I loved it. And then yeah, I did all of the veggie suggestions that you made, and yeah, it turned out great. Ate it with some fries. It was fun. Yeah, I have some leftovers. I'll have to make one like after the fact and take a picture to show you how they turned out. But yeah, very proud of it. I'm definitely doing it again. I mean, look at that. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good stack right there. I don't know why it crisped up so much on the top. I wonder if maybe I need to raise the meat a little bit more on the spit. I don't know like maybe it's just that the burners at the top are hotter than the burners on the bottom. It could be because of my tinfoil tent. But yeah, I think I would probably raise it higher next time. Put it like all the way to the end of the spit next time. But yeah, pretty good result for my first try. I need to get one of those electric ones, the electric knives to cut it off. Next time, put a whole onion on top. Oh. Okay. So what does that look like? So a whole onion up here and some foil. So would the foil go under the onion? Let me draw on this. Can I draw on this? Oh, I gotta go. Over the onion like a hat. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll have to try that next time. Although the next dish I'm going to be making with this is going to be shawarma. So if you have any recommendations, keeps the top moist. Okay. Yeah, that's really good to know. I did do that with the tacos al pastor. That's probably why the al pastor didn't do this, is because I put the pineapple as like a cap on the top and the bottom. I don't know if I have pictures of that. Let me see if I have a picture of that. When did I make this? It would have been in July, I think. Or was it June? No. It would have been like... When did I make this? No, I would have done it in August. That's what it was. Let me find it. I apparently didn't take any pictures. That's stupid of me. But yeah, I had a... Yeah, now you'll get a dinner today. Nice. But yeah, I had like a pineapple. I had the top of the pineapple up here when I did al pastor. The next one is just around the corner. Nice. But yeah, there we go. Successful doner cook. Had a lot of fun. And look, I got a Steam achievement today. Let's go. This is awesome. This is so cool. So cool. All right. I got to go to work though. So I'll